First, visit iReaShare.com and head to the Android Manager page. You can scroll down to check all the features and the step-by-step guide in detail. After that, click the Back to Top button. Click the Try for Free option to download it on your computer. Double-click the iReaShare Android Manager installer to install it on your computer by following the step-by-step guide. Once finished, click Finish to close setup. Run the software on your computer, then you will see this main interface. Connect your Android phone to the computer via USB cable. The software will quickly recognize your Android phone. If prompted, please click OK or Allow on your Android phone to make sure the connection is established. After that, data on your Android phone will be scanned out and displayed on the interface. Click Apps User Apps, then you will see all apps on your Android phone. Click Install, then choose an app from your computer you want to install. The app will be installed on your Android phone directly.